Have you ever found yourself wondering which POAP mint links for your event still need to be claimed? A few weeks ago, POAP developer Mentor, he posted a tweet asking for suggestions on a tool he could make for POAP, and that tweet led to the creation of poap.codes, a tool used to check the status of mint links. So in his announcement tweet, which I'm going to go ahead and pull up for you, he had gave the opportunity to earn a POAP for beta testing the project. The deadline for this was August the 5th, so the window to earn the POAP has passed, but I do want to give a small demo of the project because I find it so useful. And so for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to use an expired event, so sorry if there's no getting past me when it comes to minting POAPs that you shouldn't be minting. So let me go ahead and pull up the actual website here. All right, so let's say I'm giving out a POAP and I need to know which mint links I'm still able to give out. With a tool like poap.codes, I can select the links text file that I was given from the creation body, and I can quickly check which ones are still available. So let me go ahead and click on my choose file here. Let me select an old one. Let me pick this one. All right. I believe this is one of the old community call POAP lists, and it's quite large, so it is going to take some time. When you have smaller events, it's fairly fast, but whenever you have a larger event, it does take a little bit of time. So while we wait for that, just want to say this is really cool. You know, the inspiration came from, as I was alluding to, a tweet that Mentor had made a few weeks ago. All right, there we go. Yeah, he had made a tweet a few weeks ago saying basically that, hey, he was itching to create something and he needed some ideas. And one of these suggestions was, how about something that checks which claim codes I still need to use? But all right, so here is our list. So we scroll down. Now for this instance, it's going to say expired. But normally, if you're, I should say, if you're going to use this normally, you're going to put in your event, and it's going to say status available. So these are all probably expired. Let me click in. Here we go. All right, so the ones that are claimed, here you go. You have a little red light, and it says that they're claimed. And if they're still available, there will be a green light, and it'll say available. Now again, this event is expired, so it says, pardon me, this event is expired, so it's going to say expired. Now I do want to copy the claim link here. I want to click on this because what you would do, say you're trying to give these out manually, you're like, okay, I can still give this one out. You can click on this, and then there you go, it's in your clipboard. You can just go ahead and toss it out to someone. Now, if I were to actually go to this, it should say that it's expired. But yes, now this was a working link. If it still worked, it would allow me to input my address like normal. So really cool. And then also, one of the really cool things that I like about this too, you can actually look at the transaction. So I went ahead and copied that to the clipboard. Let me copy and paste it in here. And so, as many know, POAPs are actually minted on the Gnosis chain, and how to look at transactions on that is through block scan. So whenever you mint a POAP, this is a transaction that happens. So way back when, this is the information about, hey, which POAPs, pardon me, about the POAP that was minted here. And so I had spoke earlier, if you had used this tool prior to August 5th and you showed Mentor, he would give you a POAP for your troubles. And I have that POAP right here. Definitely one that I'm glad to have in my collection. Now, I do want to give a little bit of feedback on this. One of the only things really that that I haven't noticed, you know, maybe I'm just overlooking it, but I think that one of the cool things that you could do is if you could get your new list. So, you know, you have all these available. If you could just get a list and that's like your new text file. So you could feed it into other distribution methods like Mentor's Magic POAP QR code dispenser or whatever it's called. Sorry, I definitely butchered the name on that. Or, you can put it on your IYK device. You can put it wherever you need to put it. That's really the only thing I can say that's like, that would be nice. Maybe finding ways to make it a little faster on the bigger events, but it's understandable that it's going to take a little bit of time. I mean, it's trying to check every single claim code, so I don't really fault him for that. But hey, finding ways to make that faster would be great. And like I said, finding ways to get your new list up, unless I'm overlooking it, would also be amazing as well. But this is just a beta. This is something that he threw together through inspiration on Twitter. So really cool to see this come to fruition. Definitely something that I plan to be using in the future. And what do you guys think about this? Is this something that you would find helpful? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Really appreciate you doing that for me. If you liked what you saw, maybe you should hit like. Maybe you should hit subscribe. Who knows? If you want to see the full show that this segment came from, you want to click here now. Thanks so much for stopping by, everyone. This is Mr. Mojo, signing out.